Once your Nest Learning thermostat is set up, you can manually adjust the temperature and change modes directly on the thermostat. To see the current temperature, as well as the target temperature, press the thermostat's ring. Here, you can change your thermostat's mode or switch between heating and cooling. Your thermostat comes with 3 different preset modes: Comfort for when you are home, Eco for when you are away, and Sleep for when you're sleeping. At the bottom of the screen, you can see which mode you're currently using. To increase the target temperature, turn the ring clockwise. To lower the target temperature, turn the ring counterclockwise. If your thermostat isn't on, you'll be prompted to turn it on when you turn the ring. For more information about the current mode and how long it will last, press the thermostat ring again. To cycle through the available options, turn the ring clockwise. To select an option, press the thermostat. Here, you can change the mode, which is where you go to turn your thermostat on or off, or switch between heating and cooling. Your thermostat's hold option allows you to maintain a specific temperature as long as you want. This ignores any scheduled or automatic temperature changes while it's in effect. Select it again, then to turn the hold off, select Stop Hold. Eco mode sets your thermostat to your specified Eco preset. This temperature range is designed to save energy by allowing your home to get cooler before the heat turns on or warmer before the air conditioning turns on. For example, you might want to turn on Eco mode if you'll be away for an extended period of time, such as a vacation. If you turn on Eco mode from your thermostat, it will stay in Eco mode until you change it. If you have a Nest temperature sensor, you can also change which sensor your thermostat is using. For example, if you're going to bed, you might want to change the active sensor to a temperature sensor in your bedroom. Your thermostat also has a settings menu where you can adjust what's displayed on the screen, change your preferences, view technical info, restart your thermostat, and more. For more information on how to use your thermostat, visit the Nest Help Center.